To remove the transfer belt, open the side door and then pull this blue tab by the side and pull it out, just like I'm doing now. You have to be as careful as possible. Make sure you hold it with both hands, the two blue tab, and then gently pull it out. So after pulling it out, I am going to clean it out now. Clean the transfer belt. So you get a lint-free cloth, and then gently place the transfer belt on a flat surface where there won't be anything to puncture the transfer belt, and gently clean with that lint-free cloth. Just do it like I'm doing now. Clean all the ends, both the front and the back. But you have to be as careful as possible. Make sure that nothing punctures this transfer belt. Because this transfer belt, they are pretty expensive. This is a HP LaserJet M706 series printer. So I'm going to place it back now. You can see you have to be as careful as possible when pulling it back inside. The two blue tab by the side. Hold the two blue tab with both hands. I'm using one hand because one of my hand is holding the camera. So then